Phrasal verb. Its meaning. And example. Remember the colors. Break down. Stop functioning. My car broke down on the way to work. Hang out. Spend time relaxing. They like to hang out at the park. Look after. Take care of. She looks after her younger brother. Work out. Exercise or find a solution. I work out every morning. Get over. Recover from. It took her weeks to get over the flu. Bring up. Mention a topic. She brought up the issue during the meeting. Call off. Cancel. They called off the meeting. Come across. Find by chance. I came across an old friend at the store. Get along. Have a good relationship. They get along well with each other. Give up. Stop trying. Don't give up on your dreams. Look up. Search for information. You should look up the word in the dictionary. Make up. Invent a story or lie. He made up an excuse for being late. Put off. Postpone. They put off the meeting until next week. Run into. Meet by chance. I ran into my old teacher at the park. Catch up. Get to the same point as someone else. I'll catch up with you later. Figure out. Understand or find a solution. I need to figure out how to solve this problem. Turn down. Reject. She turned down the job offer. Take off. Remove clothes or ascend in an airplane. The plane took off on time. Set up. Arrange or establish. We set up the new office last week. Turn up. Increase volume or appear suddenly. Please turn up the music. Show up. Appear or arrive. He showed up late for the party. Look forward to. Anticipate with pleasure. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Pick up. Lift something or someone. He picked up the kids from school. Hold on. Wait a moment. Hold on. I'll be right back. Pass out. Faint. She passed out from the heat. Check out. Look at or investigate. You should check out that new restaurant. Back up. Support or reinforce. I will back up your decision. Carry on. Continue. Please carry on with your work. Drop off. Deliver someone or something. I'll drop off the documents later. Fill out. Complete a form. Please fill out this application. Hold up. Delay. The traffic is holding me up. Keep up. Maintain the same level. You're doing great. Keep up the good work. That's it for today's lesson on phrasal verbs. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident using these phrases in your daily conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to use these in real life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who are also learning English. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss more lessons like this. And let me know in the comments which phrasal verb is your favorite or which one do you want to practice more. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing.